today I'm going to be opening my very first sewing machine. So at the front you see it has its own little table for the sewing. It has this right here, and I also at the back I also got a kit with this too, some string and everything, a table, and some charger. So let's open it because I am so excited for this baby. Okay, so first before you open the sewing machine, you have to know where you're going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the side first. Then I'm going to open it at the back since there's like a string down there. It has a manual and it also has some pictures. Oh, it has a different kind of color too. I might get that kind of color. Oh my god. The sewing machine's coming. Oh my god, this is actually really scary. Oh, look at the table! Oh my god, look at the table! Oh, oh, oh! What's this? What's this in here? I'm gonna check this one later. Has a bit of a foldable paper. Oh! Ooh! I got the charging ports. Okay, what else do I have? Okay, another foil. Oh, this is the sewing machine. Now, I swear, I thought the sewing machine would be a bit bigger, but you know what? I don't really care, because, I mean, it's supposed to be big, but not too big for me. I don't even care about them too big. Now we're going to start by setting this up, which I need better camera view so I can start it. Okay guys, so I got better view on this one, so let's just get started. So before, where's the sewing tool? Here it is. So before we get started, we just got like taking it down off. First of all, I haven't even seen what's in here. Is this the kit? I think this is a kit. For some reason, I don't know this is a kit, but I'm just gonna look. And it comes with like this string and needle. So let me just open this up. I have this oh, don't tell me. Oh, look at this. No, let me just show it in front. Let me just show it in front. Look at the set. Oh my god. It has the scissors. It has that. I think that's a penalty. Got this, got this, got that. What's all this? Also the measuring tape. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna hold this down right here. And I'm gonna start by wrapping this up. So I'm just yeah. Okay. I'm not even gonna lie, I've never used sewing machine before. I never even knew how it goes, but I heard people sew with this, so I don't really know something. It also has some white stuff on it. Nice. Ooh. Nice and clean sewing machine. Now it's time to put the sewing. Okay. So now we're going to work on our main got the table. Let's just see. Oh my god. I'm having hard difficulties here. I'm just gonna pause it just to make sure I get the difficulties. But okay guys, now I got it to work. Oh my god, this sewing machine is the best. And let me just tell you, with this, it's not just sewing machine I got for my birthday. I also got these things, so it's plain and it's patterned. So this will work with the sewing machine, of course. And there is one more thing, but I can't find it right now, so let me just try to find it and I'll show you it. Okay guys, so I found it, and it's this Sewing Machine for Kids. It's a book, a really nice book to use, and for some reason the book is things. I love this so much. I'll buy scissors later for this sewing machine applying things. And I also see that later for some reason. If I do any more videos of me sewing stuff, I'll complete the sewing machine and stuff. First of all, I thought it was going to be like a big sewing machine, but it's not too mini. But that's fine because I didn't want it too big. I'll see you guys later. Bye!